finally time for tea and Topbox, but I didn't have time to make tea because I have to be at the school in like 15 minutes to pick my kids up, so we're just doing this quick because I really want to see what's in my box. Hi everyone, welcome back. I just got my Topbox in the mail. For those that aren't aware, Topbox is a monthly Canadian beauty subscription box. It is $12 plus tax wherever you are in Canada, and it is free shipping in Canada as well. Sometimes they make other boxes available to the United States, but for the most part, this, at least for the subscription end of it, is for us Canadians here. Topbox is similar to Ipsy if you're familiar with that, in that it comes with samples or deluxe size samples in it. Sometimes you even get full-size products. Last month I happened to get 3 out of the 4 or 4 to 5 items that I received were full size. So some months are definitely better than others, but for the most part they are just samples that you do receive in the box. So let's open it up and see what we have. There's usually some kind of card in here, so I'm going to try and pull that out first. And we just have our Topbox card here, and then on the back it's advertising the new Emma Bosse box that they have, that you can go to topbox.ca. Yes, topbox.ca and check out if you're interested. It's $19 for that particular box. Topbox also offers something that they call a beauty surprise, and you pay an additional $10 and you get an extra item, and it's usually between $15 to $50 in value. For the most part, it's always well over the $15. It's usually over $30. I've gotten things that have been $80 before for the $10 price, so it's usually worth it. Last month I wasn't super impressed with what I got. It was kind of like an illuminator of some sort. It's not something that I would use, but again, you take your chances with it when you're getting it. It's a surprise. Sometimes the surprise is good, sometimes not so much. So I'm not sure what my beauty surprise is in here this month, so I'm just going to take a quick peek to see if... Okay, I think I see what the beauty surprise is. I'm going to leave the beauty surprise to the end, just show you the regular box and what I received first. The first item is right here, and it looks like it's by Prevailing Organic Essentials, and it's an Etsy shop, which is cool, and it is a lip scrub, and it's a coconut scent, so I love coconut, so let's... That smells really good. I am going to enjoy this. Again, this is like a pretty good size. I'm assuming this is a full size. It's 30 mils and it smells really good. I'm excited to give this a try. The next item that I'm pulling out, and give it a shake because it's kind of gross looking. It's in this bottle here. It's a glass bottle. This is by Skin & Co. and it's Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil. Made in Italy. It's just throwing me off a bit, just the coloring, and then the label here is just a little scuffed up. It's not bad, it's just kind of throwing me off and looking a little weird, but it is sealed, and it's a cleansing oil. Don't mind that at all. I can use that. And it doesn't really have a scent or anything, but it is something that I will give a try. It is 30 mils, so not a bad size for a sample if that's what it is. Next up, I have by Laurent. It's in this box here, and what is it? A Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. Ooh. And it says it's in the shade First Lady. Let's see what First Lady looks like. Most times in subscription boxes, I'm not too thrilled with the color of the lip products that I get, if I can even get it out. There we go. Ooh, this is a pretty color. This is it here. It's a pink kind of color. Peachy pink. I don't mind that. It's not something I probably wouldn't wear it right now, maybe more in the spring and the summer. It's just a little bright, but it's definitely a color I would wear, and this is definitely a full-size item. The last item that I have in my regular box here is by Purlisse, and it's a Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. Lightweight, oil-free, gel cream refreshes and moisturizes for oily combination, normal, even, sensitive skin. So is this for your face? The ritual. Cleanse skin with the blue lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk. Gently smooth over face. Okay, so it's a facial moisturizer. This is definitely a sample size. It is 10 mils. Yes, 10 mils here. And let's see. Watermelon Energizing Cleansing Balm. What's that say? Aqua Balm. So it's a moisturizer. Let's see what a watermelon moisturizer smells like. Ooh, it smells good. Oh my goodness. I really like the smell of this. Okay, so my regular box, I think I did pretty good. I've got this moisturizer here. I have a liquid lipstick, a cleansing balm, and a lip scrub. all items that I will use. So far, they smell really good. I'm excited to use them. My regular box, I think, is well worth the $12 that I paid for. Now for my beauty surprise, it is by Smashbox, and it is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Primer plus Moisturizer in one beauty surprise. And I'd actually just heard someone talking about this today, and I was like, oh, I should look into that, because just with winter and everything right now, my skin's just a little bit drier on my face. It's more normal, but it tends to be a little dry, especially when I'm first putting my makeup on in the morning. So this was something someone was talking about, and I'm like, oh, I wouldn't mind trying that out. I had tried one of their other primers before, and I enjoyed it. I'm not a big fan of the clear one, but let's see if this is like a similar consistency to that. It kind of is similar to that clear one, so I will try it, because I mean, I wanted to try it, so I mean, it's perfect timing. I was kind of hoping that it was going to be more of, what's one of the other, we got a different sample from Smashbox in the purple tube not long ago, and I really, really liked that primer. I was kind of hoping it would be more that consistency with the moisturizer in it, but this seems to be more of that Photo Finish, the clear gel primer that they have out, the very popular one. It seems to be kind of that consistency, but then maybe not as slippery. But that might be the moisturizer. At any rate, I'm excited to try this out. I'm not disappointed for the $10 that I spent on it, because I'm sure if I wanted to get a, what's it called, travel size of it from Sephora, if they had it, it's probably more than $10, and this is a full size item, so you can't beat that. Again, all in all, I think I got a really good box again this month. Last month, like I said last month, I was really impressed with my Topbox, and again, I'm very impressed with it again this month. I think they're doing really well. I know the boxes are always different for different people. Not everyone gets the same type of thing. So I know not everyone's always happy with their box. I know I'm not always happy, but definitely last month and this month, I am really, really happy with this box. I highly recommend Topbox, at least trying it out if you're here in Canada. It is, you know, there aren't a lot of beauty boxes that are affordable here. A lot of times if you're ordering it from the States, you're ending up paying, you end up paying more because of shipping, and some of the ones that are based within Canada, you also pay shipping, and some of them are a little bit more money. So for the price of it, I think it's worth checking out. And like I said, again, I'm really excited about my January Topbox. I think they did a really great job. I'm excited to try all these products and see what comes for February. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will talk to you again soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.